So today I wanted to talk to you about our new micro foam eye pads that we've introduced. So these are a great type of pad, especially for those clients that are allergic to standard iPads. They are like the microfoam, they're just shaped into an iPad, as you can see here. And the great thing about these is they're really sticky, so they won't budge, unlike some pads which can move all over the place. They're really flexible as well, so they fit your clients really, really well. Now they're quite a long pad, so they will fit any eye shape, as you can see here, and the great thing is that you can cut them to size as well, which I will be demonstrating later on. If you do find them a little bit too sticky, then you can de-tack them. How you choose to do this is up to you. It's very much personal preference, but as you can see, I've done it here 3 times on the mannequin or the client's head, and then you can apply them to your client, like I said, if you are finding them a little bit too sticky for that client, but at least you know they're not going to budge. So here is how you can cut your pad. So if I have a client that's got quite a deep set eye, I tend to cut a little snip in the inner corner here so that the pad will fit better in the inner corner of the eye, and then the little tab that you've got sticking up over the nose just helps to hold it in place. If you don't need this little tab here, then again you can use your scissors just to cut this off, and this will just fit in snugly in that little area as well. And that is the great thing about all pads, is that you can cut them to shape. I tend to most of the time cut my pads to shape to suit my clients, and here I'm just nipping the end off. Maybe this client had more of a smaller eye and the pad was extending too far outwards. I would just take that outer corner off and it will fit really nicely on that client. So never ever be frightened to cut your pads up to custom suit them. The great thing about these pads as well is they're really thick, so if you are somebody that's heavy handed and you push very hard with your tweezers, which I hope you don't, your client's skin is going to be protected. Now another way of cutting your pads as well is how I'm demonstrating here. This can be a really effective way if you find that your pads struggle to fit on your clients. I just nip off both ends but leave 2 little tags overhanging. And now they will fit really nicely on your client, and you've still got 2 tabs on either end just to add a little bit more security to that pad, as you can see here. So come and give our new microfoam pads a try and see how you get on. If you are looking for a new type of pad and haven't tried these before, they really are a great alternative, and as you've seen, I can customise them, or you can customise them to suit your clients. Head over to the website now, eyelashexcellence.com. We do ship internationally and we have lots of other amazing products there.